Welcome back, you guys. Hi. We're gonna make some hamburgers, and these are the frozen hamburgers that we bought from Stater Brothers, and it's a 73% lean to 27% fat of beef patties. Okay, we're gonna use our CHEFMAN air fryer, and let's see how it turns out. So here's one patty. See how big it is? Twink. May paper pa siya, so don't forget to take off the paper and putting it on your air fryer. You should not stack your food over top of each other, but in this case I'm gonna just try and make two overlap like that, and let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm ready. I already plugged it in, and I'm gonna stick this one inside. And so it's set on 400. I'm gonna change that, but I don't want to use that. I want my temperature to be a little bit lower, maybe just 350 to start, and then I'm gonna change the time 7 minutes. There you go. To tell you honestly, I already tried this beforehand, so I'm just showing you what the outcome would be. Okay, let's start. Thumbs up. So guys, 1 minute to go. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip the burger over, and we're gonna season it with, I guess I'm gonna season it with just salt and pepper. That's it. Yeah. There you go. Did you notice I didn't spray it with any oil? Because I found out that you don't need to spray it anymore. Okay, there you go. Let's see. Oh, wow. See that? It's pink. Let's go right here. There you go. See? Now we're gonna turn it over, and we're gonna sprinkle it with salt and pepper. There. I just want to see you how pink it is at the bottom when I flip it. There. See? So that's where you want to put your seasoning in. Yeah. Okay. Season. I'm gonna first season it with salt. There you go. Masarap. Although meron na tayong gravy. Can you see it? I couldn't see it. Let's get closer to me. And there you go. And next. Yeah. There you go. Season it nicely. And then pepper. Season it nicely. There you go. Okay, and then we're gonna stick it back into the air fryer. And for another, oh wait, I'm gonna put it back on probably temperature, Kasi I want it juicy. I don't want it to be really, really overcooked and dry. Then another, sabihin natin 8 minutes. Okay. We're gonna still check it pa naman. Okay? Start. Ooh, those buttons are too sensitive. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put my dish on this one since it has a gravy, and I'm gonna scoop out some mashed potato, put on the burger, and put on the toppings, the Salisbury gravy, the mushroom, onion and mushroom gravy. Oops, there you go. Time to dip it. There you go guys, smells so good. Sarap, sarap. Diba? Yan na siya. Still juicy, right? So what I'm gonna do is transfer it to this container. There you go. I wanna garnish it with my butter lettuce that I washed. So, gusto ko lalagay ko sa ganito. Ayan. Para masarap. May konting, naman na, may konting drama. Diba? And then, I'm gonna put my burger over there. There you go. Ayan. Dapat dalawa eh. Tig-dalawa na lang tayo, Dad. Ba't ganyan? O, diba? Dalawa. Okay. And I'm gonna take it on the table. And put on some mashed potato. There you go. Yan. Depende kung gaano kadaming mashed potato gusto nyo. Yan. Lalaway na ako, oh. Daddy, come and get it. Yan, diba? Tatlo na lang muna. Dad, come and get it. I'm gonna pour some gravy. There you go. Diba? Put on some gravy on top. Ooh, there you go. And then put on the garnish that came in with the, thank you Daddy, this one, the mushroom and the onions. Let me get a spoon. Okay, got a spoon, and we're gonna put some mushroom and onions on top of the burger. Yummy! How yummy is this? Diba? Yan, diba? Oh, Daddy, kain na! Wow! There you go, Daddy! Enjoy! Dagdagan mo pa ng ano kung gusto mo. Gusto mo pa ng mash? Dagdagan ka? Eh? Yan. Enjoy! Let's eat! Naiya! Ayan, kain na tayo guys. Oh, hindi mo na mamimiss yung Salisbury steak sa Jollibee. Sarap. Sana. Sarap ba, Dad? Ayaw niyo magpakita, guys eh. Ang sarap ng ano, mashed potato. Ano masasabi mo sa mushroom? fresh. Sarap. Yan yung burgers, guys. Gusto ko juicy. Pero nasa inyo yun kung gusto nyo yung tostado, well done. Increase nyo lang yung temperature. Or increase nyo lang yung time. Diba? Okay, guys. That's it. Sign out. Enjoy.